All right, we're getting some stuff done. Rye, say what up, Rye?
What up?
Jack, say what's up?
What's up?
We got Vel inside. He's working. What up, Vel? We're out here just having some fun in this miserable, cold winter day. It's actually not that bad. It's supposed to be 50, but the wind is absolutely crazy out here. So we're gonna have some fun, and I'll take some video of this. We're gonna do a house today too, so we're gonna have some fun. These guys out here, this is banging out this house quickly. Doing a couple, Vel's dropping the screens out right now of the house, so we'll just pull these. Nice little water view today.
How do you get concrete off?
Don't get concrete off fitting. Great question. Wait. This is gonna be fantastic. All right. He says, how do we get concrete off? So this is the concrete right here at the bottom, right? So I'll just drop the screen in front of us. But this is concrete, right? So I'll get that off with a razor blade and some water. We have to make sure it's completely. Or Vel, you having fun in there?
In a desperate situation.
Who that creeping in my window? It's just Vel. Right. All right, you guys. So great question though, Rye. You didn't go right to it and just say, oh, I'm gonna do it myself. So that's a great question. So we're gonna just rock and roll these windows here.